Veterinarians are warning dog owners about an uptick in the spread of kennel cough this time of year. In the summertime, more people take their dogs out to dog parks. They hit the road and stop at travel centers and sometimes leave their pets behind at kennels when they go on vacations without them. That means more dogs are interacting with each other. Dr. Tracy Gilbert at the Champaign County Humane Society explains the biggest symptom you need to look out for.
The biggest symptom that you'll see is like a goose honking cough. So it's like a dry cough, it won't sound wet, and it'll be pretty persistent and sound pretty distinct.
You should also keep an eye on your dog's appetite and energy levels. Gilbert says some of the things that cause kennel cough can be prevented by vaccination. And a lot of kennels will make sure dogs are vaccinated before they're allowed to stay somewhere.